What's up, everybody? It's Brandon from PSA Trucks here in Ontario, Canada, where we have the used truck dealership. We do accessories, we do one-off builds, we do full chrome deletes with the all-new body liner, and our team does a damn good job, and I know you guys like following along. So behind me, 2026 F350 Platinum. This thing is brand new, and you know what's better than one F350 Platinum? Two F350 Platinum. We had this customer or two customers contact us at the same time and say, I got an F350 Platinum and I'm looking to do a sweet build. And they're doing identical builds, just different color. So follow our team along because this thing's going to be amazing.
So I'm working on this customer's F350. I just removed the front grille and the customer wanted the chrome removed and the oval, and it's gonna get de-chromed, and then I'm gonna reinstall it after it gets finished at the body shop.
We got both the 2026 F350s in the bay. Jake is installing the 5-inch BDS in his bay, and over in Sean's bay, he's doing all the lighting, and then we're gonna switch. So in front of me is the wheel and tire setup for the F350s. It's a 38, 1350, 22 Nitto Ridge Grappler wrapped on the Fusion Forge catalyst in the double black tint. These are gonna look absolutely killer on these F350s. So follow our team along for the build.
So this morning we brought this truck in and we're putting in a 5-inch BDS with a coilover conversion. So I already took out the radius arms, the pitman arms. I dropped the bump stops already. I took the track bar out and the shocks off and the springs out. And right now I'm just getting ready to put the coilover conversion brackets on. And to do that, we have to drill the shock tower and everything. So stay tuned. So right here we have the stock coil spring and the stock shock. There's no adjustability with that on this truck at all. We're putting on these Fox coilovers with piggybacks on them. So this has full adjustability and better dampening control and better spring rates. It also lifts the truck up.
Right now, we're gonna hook up some power to the OBD connector for the Boost Auto roof lights. The difference between the Boost Auto and the factory roof lights is one, the housings are nicer because they're black, but the new roof lights are going to have also sequential turn signal incorporated into the roof lights. So the roof lights will be white LED, and then on, let's say, left turn signal, half the lights on the roof lights will go sequential to the left.
We just got finished putting the coilovers in up top. Now we're putting the piggyback shocks in as an extra little bonus, and we had to take the canister for the coilovers off to feed the hose in for the piggyback canister for the shock. All right, so here we have the stock taillights out of this truck. We sent them off and we had them tinted. They look wonderful. We're gonna install them here. We already installed them on the brother to this truck. It's the black one over there. So here we're gonna put the lift in the rear of this truck. To do that, we gotta take this level sensor out. We gotta take the block out and take the shock off. And then we're gonna replace it with our lift block and our performance Fox shocks. So here we have the factory block. As you can see, here's the new block for the lift. It's quite a bit taller. We're putting a 5-inch in it. It also relocates where your bump stop hits, so you don't have to put a drop for your bump stop. So here we have the new rear shock compared to the old rear shock. As you can see, there's a height difference for the lift, and this one's full customizable with dampening, and it looks a hell of a lot better.
So the 2026 F350 Platinums are complete. Our team had the pleasure of building these trucks side by side and doing the identical build. Pretty neat opportunity, and these trucks turned out amazing. I don't know what one I would pick, the white or the black. It's a hard decision because they look unreal. So let's go through the build process and what we did on these trucks from front to back. And yes, they're identical. So up front, we've taken the front apart in order to paint match the grille bars and the front ovals on both the trucks. We switched out the lower valances for the tremor one to give it a little bit more sleeker, low profile look. We've done the air design hood scoops color matched to the body color as well with the smooth fender flares. And now they're sitting on a 5-inch BDS coilover conversion with the Fox 2.5 Performance Elite shocks for the best ride, with the added new Fox ATS Steering Stabilizer for the best handling. They're also sitting on Nitto Ridge Grappler 38 1350 22, wrapped on a fuel catalyst in the Fusion Forge line in the all black. Coming down to the sides of the truck, we've switched out all the lighting to the Boost Auto mirror lights and roof lights for the sequential switchback, so these trucks have a killer performance and look at night. And we've added the rigid rock light 8-piece kit. At the back of the truck, it looks amazing as well. So we've tinted the tail lights and the third brake light for a little bit more sleeker look. We've blacked out the factory exhaust tips because nobody likes them double chrome tips. We've also added that the customer wanted the platinum tailgate plate, and we've also made that black along with the factory blacked out emblems. So what you can't see on this truck, we've also added a pedal commander throttle booster to give these a little bit more performance and let the truck really do what it's supposed to do. Our team had the opportunity to do this build and they turned out amazing. We're super stoked on how it looks, and we know these customers are going to be happy, just like every other ones we have. So if you like this build or you want to do a build with us, give us a call. We can walk through the steps and make the truck you've always wanted. So make sure you subscribe to our videos because we got a lot more content coming.